In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to turn on PlayStation 4 with keyboard and mouse without controller. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. If you lost access to your DualShock controller and you would like to power on your PlayStation 4, it is actually possible to do this using a keyboard and mouse. However, there are going to be some limitations. You will need specific cables. Usually, it is going to be a cable that has the capabilities of transferring data. There is no easy way to know which cable is able to do this and which cable is not, but as long as you are using a high-quality, new USB cable, you should be able to get this done. So you will plug one end of the cable into the PlayStation 4 and you plug the other end into your keyboard. Now, this is a very important part. You need to make sure that your keyboard has access to the pause break button. So usually it is going to be located right here, above page up and page down. So look for the pause break button. This essentially acts like the PlayStation button. So when you get to the boot screen of your PlayStation 4, where it tells you to press the PlayStation button, you will have to press pause break instead. You just have to spam this button and eventually it should go through. If your keyboard does not have a pause break equivalent button, then sadly you will not be able to do this. You can try something else like enter or other buttons like caps lock, but on most keyboards, the combination is going to be inside of pause break. So all that you have to do is use this button and eventually you will be able to do the equivalent of pressing the PlayStation button, allowing you to power on and get through the boot screen of your PlayStation 4. You will be able to navigate through the menus, and depending on the game that you are trying to play, you will be able to play it fully using only the keyboard and the mouse. Some games will have full keyboard and mouse support, while others like GTA 5 will not have it at all, and in that case, you won't be able to play those games without support. I hope I was able to help you on how to turn on PlayStation 4 with keyboard and mouse without controller. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.